guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's been way too long since I uploaded a video, but I'm trying to get back on track and be a little more consistent with YouTube. For everybody who doesn't follow me on Instagram, I'm the Geek with Dimples on Instagram. You can go follow me there for all my content. And jumping right into the video, today I'm going to be talking about this amazing homegrown brand which is called Vita Organic, and they use only natural extracts to curate their products, and it's an extremely amazing brand, very affordable and like very light on the pocket, and it does amazing things to your skin. Being a makeup artist, I have to keep applying makeup every now and then, and that kind of tugs a little bit at my skin. So taking care of my skin is my #1 priority, and I keep experimenting with different brands to see what suits me best, and I've been using this brand for a while and I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm just going to share a few products from this particular brand that I have been loving for the past few months, and let's just get started. The first product I want to talk about is their Sea Glow Face Wash, which has no paraben, no sulfate. It leaves my skin really soft. The next product is their exfoliator, which I like to mix with the face wash, and I scrub it all over my body, and you can also use it on your face. It has coffee and sugar. It's amazing. So after having scrubbed my body, I like to use the Skin Salt Butter Balm, which is amazing. It has coconut oil and shea butter, and it just leaves my skin feeling so supple. The next product is their Nicolive lip scrub, and I can't tell you how amazing it feels on the lips. It has sugar and beetroot. It also leaves a pinkish tint on my lip, which I absolutely love. So moving on to the next product is their Eye Lift Under Eye Gel Cream, which I like to use every morning and before going to bed, and it has anti-aging and anti-wrinkle properties. Until next time, bye!